Hello everybody. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix. To know how to fix or how to solve Netflix app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list you'll enter to Netflix and you click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.